It's November the 5th up in Milton, Pennsylvania, on the farm, and I'm sitting on the front porch of the house with my grandson Brent, teaching him how to fly the Mavic Pro. We are taking some shots of the farm and also some shots of the bean harvest.
Pop taught me how to put the drone up today and get the combine in the foreground and the house in the background, and that's what we did in today's picture. Here we put the drone over the combine and put it in follow me mode, and the drone did the rest of the work. We tried to fly the drone at different altitudes to make the video a little more interesting. The drone was easy to fly and handle the controller. We'd like to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Please leave comments.
I officially retired on August the 31st of this year. I've been up at the farm a number of times, and it's been a lot of fun coming up and spending time with the grandchildren. And today was especially fun showing Brent how to fly the drone and put it in position over the harvester and show him how to edit the videos and put his voice on the videos with his thoughts. This was just a great day, great time, and we got a lot of really good footage. When taking photographs and videos of our farm, it's difficult to tell, but in some places the ground can be very steep and hilly.
It can be a challenge to handle equipment on steep and hilly terrains.
And when the grain cart is full, it can even be dangerous.
Sunset time is the best time to take pictures because the shadows are longer and the colors are deeper. Living on the farm is the best time because I get to ride in big equipment. There's lots of chores to do, and it's a lot of fun because I get to help mom and dad a lot. There's always something happening on the farm.
One thing I love about the farm is it is family oriented and
We love